Cut the shingle hem 6 inches from the wall. Open the hem and nail it flat to allow the flashing to sit flush over the shingle. Then cut and bend a TimberSteel supplemental flashing sheet to form a corner apron flashing, extending 5 inches of the wall, 5 inches onto the field shingle, and 3 inches into the flashing area. Next, you want to seal the overlapping area with TimberSteel metal roof sealant and fasten it in place with 2 nails, one through the leading edge and one where it overlaps the open hem of the field shingle. Mark and bend the first step flashing piece around the corner. Then apply TimberSteel metal roof sealant as necessary to seal any gaps. Attach the step flashing to the roof deck with 2 nails in the upper corner outside the second water diverter. Continue to the end of the run, overlapping each piece a minimum of 2 inches. Once the run is installed, apply a length of TimberSteel butyl tape along the water diverter closest to the exposed underlayment and stop at the hem of the field shingle.